What up, tubers? This is Ray, the old DOS Geek, Rayware Computers since 1996. Okay, like with all my products and anything I promote, if you guys sign up with me, either free tech support for life, and I'll either make you a video like the one I'm going to make now, or I'll send you emails with descriptions, or both. And like the old days too, I might even talk to you on the phone, you never know. Okay, so I had a question on an eBay user now. I've been on eBay for a long time, made lots of money over the years. Was drop shipping during the COVID, well, right before the COVID, I was drop shipping for a long time. And I got shut down because I had too many returns and got some bad reviews, and they blocked me for 2 years. So now I'm back doing it the old-fashioned way. And what one of my subscribers asked me is how to put the pictures in here. Now, a while back, when you're creating your listing, you used to be able to just right click on the picture that you uploaded while you're listing, or while you're creating your listing rather, and just paste it down in there. But you can't do it. A lot of guys don't even know you can copy and paste it. So create your listing, or you can just upload the pictures first if you wanted to. Okay, so I got inside this puzzle, can't really see it, so I left these, I got these pictures of them open. Okay, and the question was to, and normally I don't put pictures in the description anymore, but being that these puzzles, you can't see them inside this package, I'm not going to open the package, because I'm going to sell it new. So I found some pictures of the actual puzzles, and I'm going to put it inside here. Okay. Now you're going to go to eBay listing is already listed. Even if you didn't finish it yet, just upload your pictures. Or it's a good idea to finish it like I did here. I'm all set. It's all ready to go. Okay. Because going back and forth to revise it and add the pictures, it'll be a pain in the butt. Okay. So now the first one is lock it up, which is this guy. Okay. So what you're going to do is just click on that, right click on it, copy image address. Okay. Now, if you watched any of my videos on HTML and stuff like that, open a new tab or a new window, either way, htmleditor.in. Fantastic, been using them for years. They also got shut down during the COVID, and I almost had a heart attack. So you go here, you maximize it, and for what we're doing today, we're just going to get rid of this. Okay. Now I got that image address. Remember, I right-clicked on it and copied it to the clipboard. And this is an HTML editor. It's a back-end editor that's in most web hosting. Okay. And unfortunately, a lot of people don't know that they offer that for free. That's what we used to use in the old days. So I'm going to click here and paste the URL to the picture. Click off anywhere else over here. Now I want that picture to be a little bit smaller. You want those pictures a little bit smaller. You don't want your description to take 100 years. So now, for the sake of this video, I'm going to do all three pictures at once here. So I'm going to open up another tab, go to the htmleditor.in, maximize it, get rid of this. Okay, go back to my eBay, see what other cube puzzle. Okay, where's the cube puzzle? Which guy is the cube puzzle? Where are you? Are we down here? That's a cube puzzle, but I don't like the dark. Oh, there we go. That's a nice picture of it. Shows it. Okay, right click, copy image address, go to the new HTML editor.in that I got open, go to image, URL, we're going to click on there, we're going to paste it, and then we're going to click over here, and I want that image to be 400, and you can make it any image size you want. Okay, so there's another step to this. I'm going to open up another tab. Again, I'm doing this for the sake of not having to go back and forth from revising and listing my item. Okay, because you have to get the image URL from an active listing on eBay. Okay, so here we are, HTML editor IN. maximize, get rid of this. Okay, and then we're going to go back to the eBay. We're going to get this code, right? We already got it, I believe. Just to double check. Okay, so that's image, add image. And after a while you get to learn these icons, which for me, I know them in my sleep. Okay, so I want to make this 400 like the other ones. I want to be consistent. Okay, so now from here, we're ready to revise our item on eBay. Okay, so there are all my pictures. Again, years ago you used to be able to just click on this and right click on it and copy it, but there's no option to do it. Okay, eBay's changed quite a bit in the last couple of years. Okay, so we're going to go with the first one here, which is lock it up. That's this guy here. So now in the HTML editor.in, I'm going to go here and it's going to be a preview. Okay, so from here, okay, we're going to copy that image. I'm going to go back to my listing, right? Lock it up. Right click and paste. About it. Okay, so now we're going to go to the cube puzzle. Now when you go back to this editor, you can just close this out now. Okay, I can close this out now. I already got the picture there. Okay, I already got that picture, so now we're going to go to this picture. And if you wanted to, you can actually even go into the code. Again, it used to be a tab here to get into the HTML. Okay, but you can actually still go into the HTML and change the size of the picture at will as well. Okay, if you want to do it that way. But that's the long way around town. Okay, so we're going to go to the cube puzzle. Again, make sure you got at least a space in between there. So now here's the cube puzzle in the HTML editor.in. I want to preview it, and then I'm going to right click and I'm going to copy image. I'm going to go back to my eBay, click where I want it, right click, and paste the image. Bada boom, two of them. Okay, so far, and I'm thinking now maybe 500 might have been too big, but that's okay, just for the sake of that video. So now we're going to go back to the one we just did, and we're going to get rid of it. I mean, you know, I like to clean things up. Okay, now, oops, what'd I do? I screwed up something? There he is. Okay, so this, we're looking for the mini lumberjack. All right, so I closed out the HTML editor window. Now, once you do that, it's gone. Once you refresh it, it's gone. Okay. All right, so I closed it out, but that's okay. I'm going to go here. I'm going to revise my item and give us a chance to see how it looks as well. Okay, so we go there. Oh, that looks nice. All right. See, that one looks a little big. That one looks a little big. Okay. But that's okay. I can go in there and I can adjust it. Okay, it's just probably because there's white around this one. All right, so let's go back again and get the mini lumberjack. There's the mini lumberjack. Let's do that one. Doesn't really look too difficult. Copy the address, HTML editor.in. Get rid of this for now from what we're doing here. Go to image. Click on the URL. Form. Paste it. 500. We're going to take that down to 400. See how it looks. That's adorable. Okay, then we're going to go to preview. I'm going to go to right click, copy image. Okay. And now we got to go back to revising your item. So you see why I did all three at once, because rather than go back and forth revising and, you know, all that fun stuff, I want to just push that down just a little bit. And actually just take this up just a little bit more. And then we're going to go down here. Push that down, and I'm going to click here first, and then right click and paste. And that looks nice, that looks nice. I'm not even going to preview it. I'm going to go right to it. We'll see how we did. See how it loads. Okay. So what I'm going to do to get rid of that there, I'm going to refresh the page. Alright, that's not going to do it. Oh, that's nice. Lock it up. Because you can't see the ball inside there, but that's what it's about. And even though to me that one still looks a little big and overpowering, that's okay. Alright, so that's how you put your pictures inside the description on your eBay listing. So this is Ray, the old DOS geek. Rayware Computers since 1996. I'm going to ask you to like and subscribe because that's what YouTube tells me to tell you guys. Take care.